Thaa 4:35 cia muthenya niguo ndege ino ya bururi wa Ethiopia muthemba wa Boeing 737 ikwiregereirwo kumba kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta iri na athii 149 na aruti a wira 8. No ndagika ithathatu tu thutha wayo kumbuka kiharo kia Bole bururi-ini wa Ethiopia niguo kuratuika mitambo ya ndege ino yurire na yatiga kuonekana. Riboti cia kugwa kwa ndege ino igitambio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ari ni hamwe na ndumiriri ya Prime Minister wa bururi wa Ethiopia agicakayana andu a nyumba na arata a aria moima ndege-ini ino. Hamwe na aria makuite ni Akenya 32, andu 18 kuma bururi wa Canada, 9 kuma bururi wa Ethiopia, 8 kuma bururi wa America na 8 kuma bururi wa China.
There were at least 35 nationalities, and I'm saying at least because as of now, 2 are unknown. France, UK, 7 each. India with 4. Italy with 8. The other nationalities who had like 1 or 2 passengers on board.
Minister wa ukui guku bururi-ini James Macharia augite ni maigite handu keheri-ini kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta haria andu a nyumba na arata aria makuite maraheo motaro makumomiriria ni ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune.
We are focusing more on the welfare of the friends and relatives of the passengers who as of now at Sheraton 4-point hotel within the vicinity of the airport.
Oho bururi wa Kenya ni utumite maafitha aria nene thirikari-ini bururi-ini wa Ethiopia akuheana uteithio wa Kenya haria ungifatarania.
I'll be dispatching my Principal Secretary for Transport, Esther Koimet, together with the Director Air Transport, Nicholas Bondo. So they'll be arriving this evening so that we can coordinate these issues seamlessly together with our colleagues in Ethiopia.
Gukinyeria riu gitumikia mutino uyu gitire kiramenyekana. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.